Drugs versus medicines. Before we move forward, let's understand the difference between drugs and medicines, because lots of students in medicine get confused between drugs and medicine. To understand the difference between drugs and medicines, you have to look at it at perspective. There are two perspectives. One is scientific and other is a legal perspective. From legal perspective, a medicine is a substance with legal status and it is used for medicinal and healing properties, whereas drug is a substance with illegal status and it is considered as harmful. But from a scientific perspective, there is no difference between drugs and medicines. They both are same and only difference is the words, but they convey the same meaning. So it depends on your perspective and context of your conversation. So whenever I use the word drug, I mean it from scientific perspective.